feature that everyone is talking about on iOS 14 are widgets. There are different kinds of widgets in different areas of your phone that you can access them. If we slide all the way to the left, we can access today's view. As we scroll, you can see that we have access to weather, news, screen time, and so much more. You can go ahead and hit edit to close any of these widgets. I also want to focus on this particular widget, and that's Smart Stack. Here is where you're going to have all of your information at your fingertips when it comes to time, news, weather, and calendars. To access our most used apps or actions, what we're going to do is we're going to scroll from the top on this particular screen. Let's take a look on how we can add these widgets onto our home screen. I'm going to go ahead and hold and then tap the plus sign in the top left corner. As I scroll, you can see that I have a lot of different options right now. I have found that there are some limitations though, like with photos. It seems that Apple chooses the feature photo and rotates it every hour. There are different viewing options when it comes to widgets. Right now, I'm going to open up my notes. And as I scroll, you can see that there are different sizes. To add, I can just tap Add Widget. I also want to take a look at the News widget because there are a lot of different options there too. We can view by topic or by breaking news. I'm going to scroll and choose a topic. I'm now going to hold, and now I can drag it anywhere on my home screen. I can tap to access the information, but I want to change the topic because this one's only focusing on health. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down and select Edit Widget. I now can choose technology. Or I could hold again and choose food. To remove the widget, I'm going to hold once again and tap on Remove. There are an endless amount of options when it comes to your home screen and widgets.